Yes, yes, yes.
I want to share with you a journey of climbing, overcoming challenges, and awesome friendships. We set out from London, 5 of us crammed in a car and 2 took a plane. Despite a lot of experience outdoors that I've had before, from trad to sport climbing, and been to some quite gnarly places to be honest, I've never actually bouldered outdoors. On our last day we saw this really cool steep wall with really good crimps at the start and then goes up blank into a blind dino into a sloper. Completely not my style personally, but we knew this would be the one.
When your phone while driving.
No.
So Dave, where are we, mate?
We're at the back of the boat, definitely the back of the boat. No one always said it was the back of the boat. You can.
Hello.
Been amazing.
Santé. We can put some extra water if you want we have options here.
Hello.
Look at that. Ooh, beautiful rocks.
Wow.
Amazing.
Elephant was a really cool place. There's something quite nice about Font that there's something for anyone at any grade. Take this boulder for example. You start on the right, then jump to the second big blob and then end on the third one. These kind of boulders are like accessible at any level, any grade. So anyone can just come and have fun and enjoy the day.
Come on, Yuya. Come on, Yuya. Yes, well done. Nice, Yuya. Yes, that's good. You have very foot to the left. Yes. Excellent, Yuya. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Very good, Yuya. Very good, Yuya.
Yes.
Very good.
Interesting traverse almost. It feels like you got it.
You got it?
Yeah,
Nice.
Yeah.
Trust your feet.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
Well done.
Woo!
Yes.
Choo choo.
Was it a good idea?
Maybe.
Okay.
We'll see.
Go, Ben. Yeah, that.
Come on. Uff. Bastardo. Oh, he doesn't even cut loose. Come on. Nice. Well done, come on. Yay! ¡Vamos! no! Oh, someone got caught red-handed.
Oh, he.
It records again?
Yeah.
So stop.
Come on, Arena.
Nice, vamos.
Yeah, keep your feet around there.
Ale. Speaking of farting.
Oh great, it's on video now.
Yes. Come on, foot.
Ale. Ale. Pie izquierdo más arriba. Pie izquierdo más arriba.
Bam.
No, pues si ella no necesitas.
I'm gonna have to put subtitles on the video. Ale, nice.
Yeah. Come on.
Yes.
Yeah. That's you. That's you. Come on. Super strong.
Yeah.
Come on. You got it.
Try and get your right foot to the slope. That's it. That's it. Nice. Yes.
Nice, Julia. Excellent.
Yes.
Nice.
Nice. Yes. Woo.
Strong, man. Strong. Yeah. Good touch. A really good feel. High up. Yeah. Good jump. Yeah. That was beautiful. Yeah. Yes. Woo. Nice, man. Nice, man.
Very good. Rina,
Yes.
we finished the first day.
Yep.
How was it?
I am dead. I am so tired.
Oh, you were supposed to say it was fun.
Oh, it was so much fun. No, it actually was really fun. Yeah, it was beautiful.
Yeah. Pablito?
This has been one of the best days of my life.
Okay.
Well, now I look like shit. I want to do over. I want to do over.
Happy Daves?
Happy days.
Happy Days. For happy days.
Happy day.
Happy days in fun. Yeah, come on, man. Yeah. No. Come on.
No, I fell in between the mats.
Oh no.
I'll be the best spotter in the world. So for
In the
start-
world?
in the world. So you have to do some yoga.
No, don't do that again.
This
please.
pose.
I will have nightmares.
La 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 la.
Yes. Right.
Come on. Yeah, go big, go big. Go big. Really good hold.
Yes. That's it.
Nice breath.
Yes.
Nice. Turn around with your left foot. Feet up, yeah. Yes, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Yeah, that's good, that looks good. Yeah, nice. Nice, come on. Nice, Dave. That's it.
Very strong. Come on. Woo! Whoa! Oh. Nice.
Yes. Yes. Come on. Yes. Yes. Woo! Yes. Yes. Then train. Nice, yeah. Yeah, you go to the yeah, to left? Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Nice. Woo!
Yes. Vamos. Hey.
After 3 days of climbing, an awesome project, we finished with barbecue by the amazing Magoo. There's no better way to celebrate.
Buena chorro.
So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching. I definitely need to work on my topping out technique. I think I did a lot of that wiggle worm thing. I'm just not used to it, outdoor boulders. But for a first time outdoor boulders trip, that was quite cool. Definitely going back to Font. Just so lucky to have these amazing friends to go with. Next trip is a week away, going ice climbing in Norway. So that will probably be the next video. Let me know if it's something you want to watch or not. If you want to follow my adventures, I upload constantly to Instagram. So yeah, check it out and see you soon. Bye bye.